Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Taiki, and today you're gonna learn how to use no particle. If you've been learning Japanese for a while, you might be wondering how to use this no particle. There are three usages that I'm going to describe today. First one is the most common one. It's going to be noun modifier. Noun modifier. Now, what does that mean? No is going to be in between two nouns. Noun 1, no. Noun 2. It's going to be in the middle of two nouns. I'll give you an example. Koukou no sensei. Now, koukou, high school. Sensei, teacher. What does this no do? That's a good question. This first noun 1 modifies noun 2. So this koukou, high school, modifies sensei, teacher. Teacher, what in high school? It kind of narrows it down what this is about. This modifies this. Noun after no. Give you another example. Watashi no pen. Watashi no pen. Watashi, I, pen. So I is a noun. Pen is also a noun. Now watashi no pen means my pen. So pen, watashi. I modifies pen. This is pen. My pen. So this no, the first one, noun modifier, is used when describing possessive, meaning someone has. My, his, her, theirs, whose. So I said whose too. So dare no pen. Whose pen. See, dare means who, and pen, so who modifies pen. Whose pen. Let's practice something. How would you say university in America? アメリカの大学. You see, this is university. America is university, United States. USA is a noun. University is a noun too. It modifies that. You can use no, multiple no in a sentence, not just one. For example, 私の友達の先生. 私の友達の先生. Right, so I, friend, so like my friend here. 私、友達. So my friend, sensei, teacher. So my friend, my friend's teacher. So no here, and no here too. You can also use no without having a noun afterwards. I'll tell you what. When someone asks you, 誰のペンですか? Which means whose pen. And if it's yours, you can say, 私のです. 私のです. You see, here, there's a hidden pen. But since the person you're talking to already said, whose pen is this? You don't have to say, this is my pen. You can just say, this is mine. So without the noun afterwards, it becomes like his, mine, hers, theirs, and etc. That is the first one, noun modifier. Second one is going to be dependent indefinitive. It's a fancy term, dependent indefinitive. What does that mean exactly? That's a good question. I'll give you an example. 去年買ったのを使いました。Whoa, whoa, whoa. So last year, 買った bought, buy, bought. Last year bought のを使いました。Use. So this no is working as one. Translation of this sentence to English is going to be last year, bought, one, used. I used the one that I bought last year. I used the one that I bought last year. Whether it's going to be pen, because it appears a lot today. Let's do another example. 丈夫なのが欲しいです。See, here's no. 丈夫な sturdy or tough が欲しいです。I want. So I want a tough one. I want a sturdy one. So here is again one. No. Now this no, this dependent indefinitive no can be replaced with a noun. So let's assume this speaker is talking about a car. She wants a car that's very sturdy and long lasting. That's very important for initial investment in a car. So she's at a car dealer shop and she's talking to the clerk or a dealer. Since it's obvious that she's looking for a car, she doesn't have to say car, kuruma. But this can be replaced with kuruma for clarity. That's what I mean by dependent indefinitive. So the second one can be replaced with nouns. Now how can you tell from the last one, which was noun modifier, from dependent indefinitive? It is going to be very simple. I'll give you an example. Let's say you want my guitar. This is guitar and this is black. This is my guitar, black. So you want to say, I'm asking you which guitar you want, and you just want to say, I want Taiki's. I want mine. Taiki no ga hoshii. See, remember here, there's invisible guitar. Taiki no guitar ga hoshii. It's fine. So this is no. This no is a modifier, which is the first usage that I talked about. Now, what if you want to say I want a black one? Not specifying it's mine, but I want a black one. Kuroi no ga hoshii. So black You see one, right? The second one, dependent indefinitive again. Here is one. Ga hoshi, I want. Now, can you put guitar here in between no and ga like this? The answer is no. Because if you want to say black guitar, you would just say kuroi guitar. No. No, no. You don't say kuroi no guitar. No. That's when you can tell a difference. Or more simple way is going to be, if this here is adjective, it's going to be dependent indefinitive. Kuroi is an adjective, whereas taiki is a noun. It is always going to be modifier or possessive if it's a noun. Now, so those are two usages of no so far. Now the last but not least, and I believe it's the most complex one, so I want you to pay attention to this, is going to be nominalizer. Now what does nominalizer mean? So this means converting something to a noun. That's the meaning of nominalizer. Examples? 日本へ行くのは簡単です。日本へ行くのは簡単です。Japan, Japan. へ is to, as in go to. 行く is go. No, here, nominalizer. Wa is a particle, which if you want to learn about, there's a link in the description here, somewhere. アプリは簡単 easy. So this here, alright? So what this no does is this is making this into a noun. Act of going. To go to Japan as a noun, right? This huge part is a noun, okay? And it's a big subject. So going to Japan as a noun is easy. 日本へ行くのは So 日本へ行くの noun は簡単です。This is the third usage of no, nominalizer. Now, I want you to create a sentence. Playing the guitar is easy. Doesn't matter if you agree or not. ギターを弾くのは簡単です。ギターを弾くのは簡単です。ギターを弾くのは簡単です。So guitar, o is a particle. 弾く is to play a musical instrument. Okay, this play, hiku, is a play specifically musical instruments, primarily string musical instruments like guitar, violin, and also piano. So it's a useful phrase if you play the music. No, so here is a noun. This makes it a noun. Wa, kantan desu. Easy. Now we're gonna try making more complex examples. I saw Jesse leave the house. Jesse が家を leave 出るのを見ました。You see, Jesse が家 house を出るのを見ました。So I saw Jesse leave the house. This becomes a big noun, and in this case it's going to be an object because I saw this. I saw this fact. It's a big noun, but this time it's a big object. Another example, more complex example. Actually easier example that you can start using today. 歌を歌うのが好きです。歌を歌う sing a song or sing a song or singing. We use this phrase to say sing when describing a hobby. So I like singing. 歌を歌うのが好きです Here again, I'm just gonna put nm for nominalizer. This becomes a noun and object because I like this 好きです Like so without this n, no, without this just simply means sing a song or sing. But by adding this, it becomes singing. You cannot use I like sing. Doesn't make sense. So by putting no, it makes it a noun, nominalizer. Now, I've taught some of my students to say their hobby using no. If you're curious why there's no there, I hope you know why you use no when describing I like doing something. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of these videos, ooh, I need to fix this. If you want to have a private lesson with me on one-on-one online, I'll have a link in the description below. You can check it out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.